Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern window design. Ask any homeowner what's the top amenity that they love about their home and the response is usually the views and the location. In fact, many homeowners can stand to live in a smaller home if it means they will have a great view and the windows that deliver this view is essential. Every room in your home can benefit from beautiful windows and here is countless number of design styles to choose from. If you have been looking for ways to brighten your interiors, look to your windows. Here are some ways your home windows design can influence your interior. Humans are no different than green plants. When placed in a natural light room, they grow beautiful, and when kept in the dark, they wilt and will eventually die. Natural light is the source for our body, mind, spirit, and connectivity to the outdoors and is a primary source for healthy living. Regardless of how your window looks, ensure your home has a source of natural light in every room when possible. If you are fortunate enough to plan out the design of your home with an contractor, consider the space windows will be placed in. Tall ceiling could benefit from clear-story windows high above the ground or multi-story windows that are typical in multi-story foyers. Smaller room can still take advantage of plentiful sunlight and views with windows that have a lower sill height to the floor. Choose a style that takes into account your room's best features. There is nothing quite like waking up picturesque view of the ocean through floor to ceiling glass windows or enjoying the city light below through your curtain wall windows of your urban loft. Windows are more than just opening in the wall, that they help you capture the outdoors and bring them into your home. If designing your home from the beginning, determine what perfect view you want to capture first and then choose a window. Casement windows are the widely used and common windows nowadays. The shutters are attached to the frame and these can be opened and closed like door shutters. Rebates are provided to the frame to receive the shutters. The panel of the shutters may be single or multiple. Sometimes wide mesh is provided to stop entering flies. Metal windows, generally mild steel, is used for making metal windows. They are very cheap and have more strength. So nowadays these are widely used especially for public buildings, private buildings. Some other metals like aluminium, bronze, stainless steel also used to make windows, but they are costly compared to milestone windows. For normal casement windows, also metal shutters are provided to give strong support to the panels. Sash windows is the type of casement windows, but in this case, panels are fully glazed. It consists of bottom and intermediate rails. The space between the rail is divided into small panels by means of small timber members called sash bars. As in the name itself, corner windows are provided at the corner of room. That means corner windows has two faces in perpendicular direction. By providing this type of windows, light or air can be entered into room into different direction. To provide this type of window, special is provided in the wall. Corner windows will give aesthetic appearance to the building. Bay windows are projected windows from wall which are provided to increase the area of opening which enables more ventilation and light from outside. The projection of bay windows are of different shapes. It may be triangle or rectangular. They give beautiful appearance to the structure. Dormer windows are provided for sloped roof. These are projected from the sloping surface as shown in the below image. They provide ventilation as well as lighting to the beam. They also enhance aesthetic sense of room. If the room is a building or of different ceiling heights, clear story windows are provided from the room which has greater ceiling height than the other room. The shutter able to swing with the help of corner over pulleys. They also enhance the beauty of building. Gable windows are provided for sloped roof buildings. These windows are provided at the gable end of slope roof, so they are called as gable windows. They also improve the appearance of building. Ventilators are provided for the purpose of ventilation in the room. They are provided at great height than windows near to roof level. It is in very small size. Horizontal pivot shutters are provided for ventilator. Skylight are generally provided on the top of sloped roof to admit light into the room. Skylights are provided. It is provided parallel to the sloping surface. Skylights can be opened when required. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help then comment down below. Thank you.